As the director of the LM Thapar School of Management, I am elated to share that our Thapar Institute of Engineering and Technology has achieved the most prestigious NAAC A accreditation. This recognition underscores our institute's steadfast commitment to delivering world-class education, fostering innovation, and nurturing a culture of academic excellence. For the School of Management, this milestone reaffirms our dedication to shaping future leaders equipped with the skills to excel in dynamic global business. It also strengthens our ability to forge industry connections, attract top talent, and offer programs that are both relevant and impactful. This achievement inspires us to continue raising the bar in management education, empowering our students to thrive and our faculty to excel in thoughtful leadership and impactful research. Together, we aim to set new benchmarks in redefining management education for the future.